Welcome to our BDID domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
And today we will do SEO for another video, and this is our video IT domain channel, and you will get every kinds of video from our channel. Just visit our channel, subscribe it and share with others, and learn from our channel digital marketing and Canva tutoring and also automation testing. You will get everything, and that is free. Now I will do SEO with my TubeBuddy, and that is this one. I want to do SEO with this video. So I'm clicking this video and wait for few seconds. So this is about key elements of digital marketing. Okay. So this is our part 1, and this is SEO score is only 20. So in front all of you, I will show how I can increase this SEO score more. So on another tab, I am searching for key elements of digital marketing. So let me click on this one because I like this title, but I need to see the SEO score for this video. Waiting for a few seconds. So it has 100 SEO score. We can take it. So let me scroll down, and it has 15 ranked tags, you can see. So this is good one to go. So I'm going to copy this all tags and going to our video, going to edit section. I have showed this process many times, so you guys can catch everything, how we can do good SEO for different video, for different content. So going to our edit section, wait for few seconds, it will redirect us. So here is our page, and let me scroll down. And I will get this field that is add text. So whatever I did copy, I'm going to paste it over there. So I have pasted it here, and now I need this title. Because it is showing us on our first page. So let me paste it over there and save it. After saving, I am moving to our channel again, waiting for few seconds. Here is our VDIT domain channel, and this is our video section. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and share to others so that everyone can learn easily. You can see that we have lots of video related with digital marketing, automation testing and Canva tutoring. So this was the video which I did SEO right now. So I'm clicking this video again and it will show us the ranking. So waiting for few seconds, it will load. Our SEO score was only 20. Let's see. Okay, so our SEO score was only 20 and now it is 60. You can see it is 60 now.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos and to get notification click the bell icon.